Namaste, खुश रहो बेटिया. I am Devian Varsha Singh from Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. Our today's topic of the session is auction. So we will see how auction is done on e-marketplace. So auction, one of the most interesting market mechanism in e-commerce is electronic auction. They are used in B2C, B2B, C2C, C2, G2B and G2C and more. So definition and characteristics of auction is an auction is a market mechanism that uses a competitive process by which a seller solicits consecutive bids from buyers, forward auction or buyer solicits bids from sellers, reserve auction. Prices are determined dynamically by the bids. A wide variety of online markets qualify as auction using this definition. Auction, an established method of commerce for generation, deal with products and services for which conventional marketing channels are ineffective or inefficient, and they ensure prudent execution of sales. For example, auction can expedite the disposal of items that needs to be liquidated or sold quickly. Rare coins and other collaborates are frequently sold and in auction. There are several types of auction, each with its own motives and procedures. For details, auction can be done online or offline. They can be conducted in public auction sites, which as at eBay. They also can be done by innovation to particular auction. So, traditional auction versus e-auction. Traditional physically auctions are still very popular. However, the volume traded on e-auction is significantly larger and continues to increase. So, what is the limitation of traditional offline auction is regardless of their types have the following limitations. They generally last only a few minutes or even seconds for each item sold. This rapid process may give potential buyers little time to make a decision, so they may decide not to bid. Therefore, sellers may not get the higher possible price. Bidders may not get what they really want, or they may pay too much for the items. Also, in many cases, the bidders do not have much time to examine the goods. Bidders have difficulty learning about auctions and cannot compare what is offered at each location. Bidders must usually be physically present at auction, thus, many potential bidders are excluded. But in electronic auction, the internet provides an infrastructure for executing auction electronically at lower cost. With a wide array of support services and with many more sellers and buyers. Individual consumers and corporations both can participate in this rapidly growing and very convenient form of e-commerce. So now we will see how innovation in auction. So every year, Warren Buffett, the famous US stock investor and investment guru, invites a group of 8 people to lunch with him. The 8 pay big money for the pleasure. The money is donated to the needy in San Francisco. In the past, Buffett charged $30,000 per group. As of July 2003, Buffett places the invitation on an online auction at eBay. In 2003, bidders pushed the bid from 30,000 to 250,100. The winning bid in 2006 was 6,20,100. One of the winners commented that he was willing to pay whatever was needed so that he could express to Buffett his appreciation for investment guidance. Before the auction, he had no chance to be invited. So, how he is also one of eBay's 40 thousand assistant, web auction, Hawaii, and other traditional assistant handle advertisement auction, listing, appraisals, description, authentication, payment, shipment, insurance, and more. Dan also advises sellers as to which eBay category is the best for their particular item. Dan is a helping non-profit organization, e-state administrators, and others to sell just about the anything, including four mules he helped sell in September 2004. So, dynamic pricing and types of auction. Dynamic pricing and types of auction is major characteristics of auction is that they are based on dynamic pricing. Dynamic pricing refers to prices that are not fixed but that are allowed to fluctuate as supply and demand in a market change. In contrast, catalog prices are fixed as are prices in department stores, supermarkets, and many electronic store rooms. So here are some types of auction like on buyer, one seller. In this configuration, one can negotiation, bargaining or bartering. The resulting price will be determined by each party's bargaining power, supply and demand in the items market and possibly business environment factors. So one buyer, many potential seller is two popular types of auction in which there is one buyer and many potential sellers are reserved auction, trended and name your own price auction. Reverse auction when there is one buyer and many potential sellers. A reverse auction also called bidding and tendering system. It is in place in reverse auction. The buyer places an item he or she wants to buy for bid system. Potential suppliers bid on the item. So these are the auction process like low bid winner, seller and cost and buyers, how to bid, how to price less, and then buyer purchase. One of the auction is many seller and many buyers, in which when there are many sellers and many buyers, buyers and their bidding prices are matched with sellers and their asking prices based on the quantities on both sides. Stock and commodities markets are typically examples of this configuration. Buyers and sellers may be individuals or business. Such as auction is called double auction. So here is some benefits and limitation on impact of e-auction. The benefits of e-auction is according to Nesnoff, the auction culture will revolutionize the way customers buy, sell and obtain what they want. A listing of the benefits of e-auction to sellers, buyers and e-auctioneers is provided in Insight. And limitation of e-auction have several limitations. The most significant limitation are minimal security, the possibility of fraud, and limited participations. So, because here this means the credit card number could be stolen during the payment process. Payment methods such as PayPal.com. Okay, so these are the benefits and limitation of the auction. Thank you, class. We will next see the what is a e-marketplace approach and structure. So this session is provided by Jyoti Vidyapith Women's University digital version 2.0. If you have any query, please comment below. Thank you.